Picture this. You're 80 years young, full of vigor and vitality, still living life on your own terms. Today we're diving into 10 tips that can make this vision a reality. Welcome back to our channel. We're here to empower your journey to wellness. Today we're not just talking about living longer, we're discussing living better. Today's world, it's not uncommon to find ourselves juggling busy schedules, demanding careers and personal lives that often leave little room for prioritizing our health and well-being. Yet the quest for a longer, healthier life is a universal one. It's something that has intrigued humans across generations. And now, more than ever, people are taking proactive steps towards healthy aging. You might have seen those awe-inspiring documentaries featuring individuals who have reached the age of 100 or more, sharing their secrets to a long and fulfilling life. While genetics undoubtedly play a role, there are also common threads in their stories, simple yet powerful habits that have contributed to their longevity. So what if I told you that you could incorporate some of these practices into your own life? Imagine waking up each morning feeling not only healthier but also more energized, ready to tackle the day with a sense of vitality that seems to defy your age. This isn't a far-fetched idea. It's a potential reality waiting for you to unlock it. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the habits that can transform your life, starting with the most fundamental pillar of our existence, food. Tip No. 1. Fuel your body for longevity. Your body is your home, and just as you wouldn't use disposable plates and cups, why would you fill it with anything less than the best? When we talk about fueling your body, we mean providing it with the nutrients it needs to thrive. This doesn't mean counting calories or eliminating entire food groups. Instead, focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods. Fill your plate with vibrant fruits and vegetables, each offering a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are your body's best friends, working tirelessly to keep it healthy and strong. Opt for complex carbohydrates like brown rice and quinoa instead of refined grains. When it comes to protein, choose lean sources such as fish, poultry, and legumes. Remember, variety is the spice of life and nutrition. Each food has its unique contribution to your overall well-being. By embracing a balanced diet, you're not just nourishing your body, you're investing in a longer, healthier life. Tip 2. Move your body, extend your life. Life is all about balance, and that includes your body. Just as a painter uses different tools to create a masterpiece, you need various types of exercises to keep your body in perfect harmony. Think of exercise as your body's best friend, always ready to lend a helping hand, or should I say, a flexing arm. Let's break it down. Cardiovascular exercises like brisk walking, cycling, and swimming strengthen your heart and improve blood flow. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. Next, we have strength training. Activities like weightlifting and bodyweight exercises help maintain muscle mass and bone density. Incorporate strength training twice a week, targeting all major muscle groups. Lastly, don't neglect flexibility exercises like yoga and Pilates. They enhance your range of motion and reduce the risk of injuries. The beauty of exercise is that it doesn't have to be a chore. Find activities you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's dancing, gardening, or hiking, consistency is key. So set realistic goals and celebrate every milestone. After all, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey to a healthier, happier you. Tip 3. Prioritize mental wellness. Your mind is a powerful ally in the journey to longevity. It's just as a ship needs a steady hand to navigate the seas, your mental well-being plays a crucial role in guiding you to a longer, healthier life. Stress can sometimes feel like a shadow following us from one task to another. However, it doesn't have to define your journey. Imagine stress not as a relentless pursuer, but as a momentary visitor that passes with time. It's all about adopting a mindset that helps you navigate through stressful situations without letting them overwhelm you. Employ mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to help you stay grounded. Nurture your social connections as they are the anchors that keep you steady in life's storms. Dedicate time to hobbies that bring you joy, whether it's painting, writing, or playing an instrument. Finally, seek professional help when needed. Just as a ship calls for assistance when faced with rough waters, don't hesitate to reach out for support. There's no shame in doing so. Cultivating mental wellness isn't a destination. but an ongoing journey. Each step you take, no matter how small, contributes to a more balanced, fulfilling life and a healthier you. Tip number 4. Sleep. The ultimate elixir. Sleep, often referred to as the elixir of life, is a fundamental pillar of our well-being, playing a pivotal role in determining not only our physical health, but also our lifespan. When we slumber, our bodies and minds engage in a myriad of restorative processes that are essential for maintaining optimal health. During sleep, our bodies repair damaged tissues, synthesize proteins, and release essential hormones that promote growth and rejuvenation. Moreover, sleep enhances our immune system, making us more resilient against illnesses and diseases. It's during this time that our brains process and store memories, ensuring that we wake up refreshed and mentally alert. The quantity and quality of our sleep have profound implications for our overall well-being. A consistent sleep schedule helps regulate our internal body clock, ensuring that our biological processes are synchronized with the Earth's rotation. Establishing a bedtime routine can signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down, promoting relaxation and preparing us for restful sleep. By adhering to a regular sleep routine, we can reap the multitude of benefits that sleep offers, leading to a healthier and potentially longer life. Now, let's dive into the next chapter of this transformative journey with tip no. 5. But before we do, we have a special request. If you've resonated with the insights we've shared so far, we invite you to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and inspires us to continue creating valuable content for you. Tip no. 5. Stay socially connected. Human beings were not meant to go it alone. We thrive on connections. Friendships and a strong support network are not just sources of happiness, but also contributors to longevity. Nurturing relationships with family, friends, and community members can buffer against the negative impacts of stress, providing emotional support and a sense of belonging. Engaging in social activities and seeking companionship can help maintain cognitive function and stave off cognitive decline. Building a robust social network can offer practical assistance, reducing the likelihood of social isolation and providing help during times of need. The sense of belonging and acceptance derived from strong social connections can foster positive emotions. It's contributing to overall well-being and potentially increasing lifespan. Tip number 6. Keep learning, keep growing. Lifelong learning is not just about accumulating knowledge. It's about keeping our minds sharp and agile. Much like an athlete trains their body, we can train our minds to remain adaptable and resilient. Engaging in activities that challenge our cognitive abilities, such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new language, can help maintain cognitive function and potentially delay cognitive decline. Learning new things stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth and development of brain cells. By embracing lifelong learning, we keep our minds active, engaged, and better equipped to handle the challenges that may come our way. Tip 7. Be mindful of your habits. Our daily habits hold immense power, shaping not only our present, but also our future. One of the significant contributors to poor health and reduced lifespan is smoking. Tobacco smoke contains nicotine, which is highly addictive. It also exposes your body to numerous harmful chemicals. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver disease, heart problems, and increased risk of certain cancers. To mitigate these risks, consider gradual reduction, setting realistic goals, and seeking support if needed. Similarly, adopting healthier alternatives like switching to e-cigarettes or vaping can help curb cravings and reduce the intake of harmful substances. Tip 8. Embrace gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that has been linked to numerous physical and mental health benefits. When we focus on the positive aspects of our lives, we cultivate a sense of contentment and reduce the tendency to dwell on negative experiences. Expressing gratitude regularly can help improve mood, boost happiness levels, and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Practicing gratitude can also enhance our resilience, enabling us to cope better with stress and adversity. By focusing on what we are grateful for, we shift our perspective, finding meaning and beauty in everyday moments. Incorporating gratitude into our daily lives. Through practices like keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking time to reflect on blessings can lead to a more positive outlook and contribute to our overall well-being and longevity. Tip 9. Laugh often, laugh loudly. Laughter is truly the best medicine. It's a universal language that transcends boundaries, cultures, and age. When we laugh, we release endorphins that have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. Laughter can reduce stress hormones like cortisol, helping us relax and promoting a sense of well-being. It can also strengthen social bonds, fostering a sense of connection and belonging. By incorporating humor and laughter into our lives, whether through comedy, funny movies, or simply spending time with people who make us laugh, we can enhance our mental and emotional health, contributing to a longer, happier, and more fulfilling life. Tip number 10. Regular checkups and screenings. In the pursuit of a longer, healthier life, regular checkups and screenings are indispensable allies. These preventive measures serve as early warning systems, enabling us to detect potential health issues before they become major concerns. By visiting healthcare professionals for routine checkups, we can monitor vital signs, receive personalized health advice, and identify any risk factors for diseases. Screenings for conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol imbalances allow for early intervention and management, preventing or delaying the onset of more severe complications. Staying proactive with health screenings and adhering to recommended preventive measures can significantly reduce the risk of developing chronic conditions, allowing us to age with greater ease and well-being. And there you have it, 10 tips that hold the key to a longer, healthier life. Remember, it's the accumulation of small, consistent efforts over time that leads to profound transformations. As you incorporate these tips into your life, you'll not only extend your years, but also enrich your quality of life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.